Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers and who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a diploma of UX and web design by Torrens University in Australia. And if we go down, it's an overview about the UX and web design and learning outcomes is there, and free Adobe Creative Cloud license they are providing, and complimentary ACH membership. Basically, university membership is there. So if we learn about the duration of the course is 18 months course, like 1.5 years, 3 years is also there, and 1 year is also there. And it's based on Sydney, Australia, and it's online, offline both. And if we talk about the knowledge, like hand-on industry on standard softwares, is there career opportunities after completion of course, and these are the portfolio. They will guide you after completion of course, and subject and units. That in technology, they will guide you about the Figma. Like there are many tools in the UI UX, but they are not teaching that. And these are the diplomas companies tied up with. These are the entry details and how to apply FAQs, their work, their student work, and other courses footer. Overall, the UI of this page is looking good as they have mentioned the proper detailing in terms of elements, in terms of fonts, in terms of color combination they have used. But they are lacking with the proper detailing in terms of UI, UX, specifically UI. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, like curriculum depth and structure is not up to the mark, so it's a 0.5 for me. UX research fundamental is not up to the mark, 0.5 for me. UI design quality is 1 for me. Hand-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software training is not up to the mark. They will guide you on the Figma, so it's not a proper tools in terms of UI UX. And mentorship and feedback is not there. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. Placement and career support is not there. Course value versus fees is 0.5 for me, and industry lens update is also 0.5 for me because it's not a future oriented course, and it can be improved course, but I will not recommend this course. Or if you want to pursue this course on a beginner level, you can go with this course. But there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters in the list and have a 10 out of 10 score, and also help you getting a high paying job in terms of UI UX, and also guide you about portfolio development and mentorship and feedback after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.